All right, let's get a quick check on what's playing out in the global space now. That's for the global economy. At this point, we start off in Denmark. Now, they've raised the economic growth forecast for 2026 to 2.2% from its previous expectation of 2.1% expansion. The country's economy ministry confirmed that today. The ministry also significantly increased its GDP forecast for 2025 to 2.6%. from 1.4%. The upward revisions to Denmark's growth outlook reflects, improved economic conditions. That's in the Nordic country. And we see in Sweden now, we see the prices have decreased by 0.3% in November compared to October, according to flash figures released by the Statistics Office today. The data also showed that on an annual basis, consumer prices in Sweden were 2.3% higher than in November of the previous year. These are preliminary inflation figures provide insight into Sweden's current price trends as the country heads towards the end of 2025. All right, so company news now. Salesforce, their third quarter results have topped expectations and raised its full-year outlook, helped by strong demand for its AI products. Shares rose about 5%. In extended trading, the company posted EPS of $3.25, beating estimates of 39 cents, and revenue of $10.3 billion, slightly ahead of forecasts too. Subscription and support revenue rose 10% year on year. Let's get a quick check on Bitcoin now. It's been largely steady, after sharply rising above the $93,000 mark in the previous session. That's underpinned by positive regulatory developments and expectations of a Federal Reserve rate cut next week. We're seeing that, keeping the world's largest cryptocurrency there upbeat at this point. It last traded about 0.3% lower in early trade today. The stability is coming after a bruising week there, where we saw Bitcoin did drop. There was huge sell-off there, dragged the world's largest cryptocurrency close to about $84,000 level. The rebound was underpinned by the positive regulatory developments in the U.S.